Let's show! Wow! I'm a kitty! Okay, let's ask Uncle. Let's go! Uncle, we want a kitty!
Cat?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
Yes, let's go!
Oh, Robo cat. No need to feed, no need to wash, no need to walk, no need to clean. It's a perfect pet. Order.
Wow! It's a cat! Yes, let's go! Let's do it! Robo cat. Cat. Let's give it a try. Yeah, let's go. Wow! Kitty, kitty, kitty!
Kids, it's time for breakfast.
Mike, cats love milk too. Yes, let's feed our Robo cat. Yes. Kitty, 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 come here. Look, milk. Look. She's weird. She doesn't like milk. Oh, Mike, let's try young bulls. Yeah, let's go. Kitty, kitty, look. Look. Left, right, left, right. Understand? You didn't catch that? Oh, maybe he can one. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Huh? Maybe she's stuck? Oh, a laser. Hey, kitty, kitty, look. Haha, Mike. I like to play with you more than the cat. I have an idea.
I'm such a lucky mouse. Good kitty.
Huh? Who did this? The fridge is open! Somebody stole all our food! The mouses took our food! I want a real cat! Me too! Let's go, Chris! Uncle! It doesn't meow! It doesn't play! It doesn't even drink milk! It doesn't eat! And look at that battery! We want a real cat!
Okay, kids, chill.
Yay!
Oh, it was so beautiful. Hey, kids. Look what I have. It's so fluffy.
Like you too. It's so soft. Yeah. Yay. Blink. TV. Wow. Nom 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 nom.
Kitty, chill.
Remember kids, robots will never replace a real pets.
Yay!
Hi, this is for you.
For Chris?
Yeah, that is for me!
Okay.
Where's my candy? Yes! Watermelon! Who ate my watermelon? Ghost! Ghost, okay. Ooh. Ghost! I can hide. You ate my candy and watermelon? Sorry, Alice. That's Pink Uncle. Okay, Chris, let's have fun. I'm ready. Can you use mask? Okay. No. Can I do this? No. No. Dad.
This is so strange. Again? What is that? What is it? Too strange. Chris! Alice! Is it you?
It's me!
What? Chris! Alice! It was you! It's always important to be able to laugh at yourself, and it's always so fun!
So many sweets!
What kind of sweets would you like?
Gumballs! It's not working.
That's right, Chris. You need a coin to get sweets, and you need to help your relatives.
Okay! Granny, can I have your laundry? Let's load first the washing machine. Okay, Granny! Now we need food soap. Granny, look what I found! This is for you! Thank you, Granny! Coin chef!
Oh, what? Oh, coin. Put it here.
Gumballs! Purple color grapes! Yummy!
It would be great.
Easy peasy!
You really helped me a lot. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
This is for you.
Thank you! I'm going!
Oh, make you choose.
I choose a pink one!
Please now press the button.
Okay! It's a strawberry yogurt! So many dishes! Grandma, do you need help? Yes, please! I'm done! Oh, thank you, my sweetheart. Little treat? It's for you. Thank you, Granny. I have a coin.
Which flavor do you like?
I want strawberry. Wow.
Here you go, Chris.
Thank you. Yummy. Oh, too dirty in my room. Let's clean up.
Put it right here.
Okay.
What flavor would you like, please?
Apple. What would you like?
My favorite is orange. Okay. Thank you, Chris. Delicious and nutrition. Remember, kids, always help your relatives. They will be thankful to you.
Yay!